Hello, my darlings! Obviously, I'm in a really good mood because today was a really good day. So might as well just record a Get Unready With Me because, you know, I want to keep up this energy and I want to give this good energy to you guys as well. And I feel like I'm happy right now also because it's really early. It's like 9:30 p.m. which is way earlier than my usual night routine time. But also guys, what do you guys think about my PJ? Isn't this so cute? Like it's finally hot enough for me to wear short sleeve and shorts. Wait, you can't see the shorts, but the shorts is really cute too. But anyways, I rarely record videos at night, but today's a special day because Banila Co finally recognized me after I used their products for like over a decade. Thank you, you found the right person right here. For those that have been following me for a long time, you guys know I've been using Banila Co Cleansing Balm ever since I started YouTube, and I actually started using this when I was in high school. My relationship with Banila Co, it was always one-sided, but hello, we're mutual now. Thank you. Like they sent me their famous cleansing balm, but I'm sorry, but I have my own already. But thank you for the extra one. I'll still use this one today. Okay, but surprisingly, I have only used their cleansing balm, but they also sent their toner pad and their sleeping mask and foam cleanser, so I'm super excited to try this out. OMG, you have no idea. Although I'm really energetic right now, I am so tired. Like I've been wanting to take a nap the whole day, but finally the time has come, which is why maybe, you know, like the last minute energy that like flows through out of nowhere. That's where I'm at right now. So I'm gonna clash very soon. So we gotta do this ASAP before I clash. Let's get it started. Ha. I think I put this cleansing balm on my favorite videos multiple times, even my recent video. Okay, first let me remove the makeup. Lashes, it's time to go. So it looks like this, very pretty baby pink, matching my fit. And it comes with like a little plastic like plate and a spatula. Oh my gosh, beautiful. Oh my gosh, this is so new. The amount of people that I recommended this cleansing balm to, like, I'm sorry, but Banila Co, y'all need to thank me big time. So now this plate thing is gonna fit perfectly into the cleansing balm. Boom, so convenient, genius. This is actually Global's #1 cleansing balm. They even have an official badge and documentation. But this is enough for me to erase my whole makeup. And as you see, it's kind of more like a solid, literally a balm. But once I start mixing it like that, it starts becoming an oil. Let's go ahead and remove this. But if you struggle with removing waterproof mascara or like eyeliner, girl, let me tell you, this is the answer. Literally, it removes everything so perfectly and so well and fast, which is why I love this balm. Oh, and also a good thing about this is that like it doesn't irritate your eye. Like it doesn't sting or whatever, and there are times when I need to open my eyes while I'm like removing it just to check like if I got everything off. But like I could totally open my eyes, it doesn't hurt, it's chill. And I think I'm good. Oh my gosh, my face color looks crazy, but let me wash this off really quick. Amazing. Guys, my face literally felt so dry the whole day. I feel so refreshed. Oh my gosh. Well, makeup is all gone. A little bit too gone because I look a little too bare now, but yeah. Onto the foam cleanser. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited. I've actually heard a lot about their foam cleanser. Well, first of all, the design is really minimal and cute, and the color, I have a weak spot for pink, so. Ooh, okay, very soft smell. It's not too overpowering, which is perfect. Wow, if you guys see, the foam is so rich and it's thick. It is so soft on the skin, like, bro, look at that. And for some people, double cleansing might not be a thing for you, but it's one of the best ways to keep your skin healthy and clean because honestly, it's really hard to remove all the dust and all the oil that you form throughout the whole day. So I would say double cleansing is kind of essential, but me in the extreme, I triple cleanse. So yeah, that's something else, but I would highly recommend double cleansing. Oh my gosh, also don't forget like your jawline as well. And then instead of rubbing your face with a towel, go ahead and just pat it down. It feels really soft and it didn't like hecka dry out my face either. Like I feel good right now. Low-key baby skin vibes. Next, let's go in with their toner pad. Easy and quick hydrating. Vegan formula, okay. Hyaluronic essence, pink dew complex. Whoa, god, this is so pretty. This is how the packaging looks like. Very cute, the color obsessed. And the tweezer has a little home to go, so you're never gonna lose it. And there is the pad. So I never skip on toner pads because I find this stuff very necessary. First of all, to prep my skin for the other skincare routines that I have. And also because the liquid is much thinner, that the absorbency is much higher. And it also exfoliates and hydrates your face. And also toner pads usually reaches like another level of oil and dust in your face. Wow, this is really thin. Hold up. Ooh, this is big. I like that. I just had it on my cheeks for a little bit just to cool it down because I get a lot of heat and redness around this area. So, and also good thing about toner pads is that it has a role of cooling your face as well. And scent for this one is also very minimal. Okay, I want to sleep now. Hydrate and loosen my pores, please, because I'm about to take all that out. I'm gonna hydrate my neck as well. Okay, now that we finished our toner, we need to moisturize our face. Well, the color is not pink anymore, but I'm still vibing with this. We have a little handle right there. Ooh, wow! It's like so jelly looking. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited. It looks thick but watery at the same time. Oh, let's go, let's go. And again, it comes with a spatula. And if you see in this packaging, there's like a little dip, so wait, question, does this close? I need that spatula in there or else I'm gonna lose it. Oh, yay, it fit. Perfect. I was kind of gonna be upset about it if it didn't fit, but it fits. Boom. Oh, interesting smell. I like it. Kind of smells like hand soap. Honestly, the texture of it kind of reminds me of like collagen gels. Very jelly-like, which you guys already know that I love those kind of moisturizers. Wait, this is a mask. No wonder it was like kind of thick. I think this is like the thickest gel type I've put on. Okay, what I'm observing right now is that the cream is now layered into my face and I can feel it on my skin, but it's not completely absorbed yet because of the thickness. So I feel like it will be absorbing it all throughout the night, which is really good because I tend to get dry by the morning time, which is not ideal because I do have a really dry face and I live in California, which is like desert dry. So I need something that's gonna keep me moisturized throughout the whole night until the morning. And I think this would do a great job on that. And also what I like about this is the ingredient because it has the Centella asiatica. Wait, this is good for wrinkles too. Moisturizing and relief, period. Okay, but also because I was putting like nothing into my lips are so dry. So let me go get my lip balm really quick. She's back. Wait, the restroom smells so good. I smell all of the products right now. Okay, fully moisturized. Okay, I'm done with the routine. I feel so refreshed right now. My skin feeling amazing. My skin feeling moisturized, feeling clean. So honey, if you haven't been taking care of your skin, having a night routine, even if you're a guy, like, please do your skincare, please take care of your skin. And also I know that night routine can feel a little bit tedious and you feel like lazy, too many steps, but honestly I only did 4 steps today, which is really little, especially for a girl if you do wear makeup. But night is a time when you could like truly take care of yourself. Like I feel very self-cared right now. So if you don't have a night routine, I highly recommend that for you. Well, I'm done for tonight. I'm going to hop onto my bed and go to sleep. Actually, just kidding. I'm gonna doom scroll for like maybe like 30 minutes. Realistically, I'm being for real. So if you like this video, don't forget to give this video a like and also comment the night routine that you have or any favorite products that you use from Banila Co. And also subscribe to join the family, also for more skincare, makeup, self-care. And I'll see you guys next time. Bye!